What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best compact air fryer you'll want in your kitchen. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Kasori. Let's get started. Product feature: Turbo Blaze technology. Experience incredible power with a robust 3600 RPM fan speed that delivers professional results and perfectly crispy textures right at home. High heat searing. Reach temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure your main dishes are always perfectly golden on the outside and wonderfully juicy on the inside. Precision airflow. The advanced airflow system ensures side dishes are cooked evenly, providing a perfectly balanced texture and consistent heat in every single bite. 5-fan speed system. Enjoy total cooking versatility with 5 adjustable fan speeds and a wide temperature range from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for any recipe you imagine. Accelerated cooking. Save precious time on busy weekdays with innovative technology designed to get delicious, healthy family meals on the table much faster. Large 6-quart basket. The square basket design maximizes your cooking capacity for larger meals while maintaining a compact, space-saving footprint on your counter. Quiet and healthy. Cook peacefully with noise levels under 53 decibels while using up to 95% less oil for heart-healthy meals that never sacrifice on flavor. Pros: you're gonna love how this air fryer simplifies your life. Its ability to sear at 450 degrees means your steaks and chicken come out restaurant quality every time. Plus, the square basket is a total game changer, fitting way more food than round ones without taking up your entire counter. It's whisper quiet, so you can actually hold a conversation while making dinner for your family. Cons: while the 6-quart size is generous for most families, those who frequently host very large gatherings might find they need to cook in batches. Additionally, the high-speed fan is so powerful that lightweight foods like thin parchment paper or loose herbs might need to be secured carefully during the cooking cycle. Final thoughts: bringing this into your home feels like giving your family the gift of healthier, faster, and tastier meals. It's about more than just a gadget. It's about those extra moments you get to spend together instead of hovering over a stove. You can cook with total confidence, knowing you're serving food that's light on oil, but heavy on flavor and love. It is truly a remarkable kitchen companion. Ready to transform your dinner routine? Check the price link in the description. We can't wait to see what you cook up. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video. See you next time.